Fifth standard students, let us start from page number 138 at the market. The prices are given of the product and we will solve the question based on it. Okay, explanation done from my side. Now I am giving you written solution of this sums. Okay, the first question, we have to change this rupees in paisa. Okay, the cost of matchbox in paise. The cost of one matchbox is given rupees 0.50, but we know in rupees 100 paise. Okay, 100 paise. You will write complete spelling, PAISE. Therefore, in rupees 0.50 is equal to this number you will take in the numerator. In the denominator 1 we can neglect. If only 1 is there, then only we can neglect. Okay, and rupees 0.50 multiplication. So see here, 100 zeros are 0, 100 fives are 500. Before 2 digit point, that means decimal. So 1 digit and second digit before you will put decimal. Because of this decimal we can cancel these 2 zeros. After decimal zeros we can cancel only zeros, if zeros at the last. So the cost of one matchbox is 50 paise. Rupees 0.50 is given. We have changed this rupees into paise. So the cost of one matchbox is 50 paise. Now we have to calculate in rupees 2.50. That means rupees 2 and 50 paise. How many matchboxes we can purchase? But we know that in rupees, number of matchbox can be purchased in rupees 0.50 is equal 1. It's given. The price of matchbox, you can see price tag is written on there. So same sentence you will repeat. So number of matchboxes can be purchased in rupees 2.50. This number always we take in the numerator, but this time 1 is in the numerator, so we will take. If 1 is in the denominator, we can neglect. In previous sum we have neglected, but here we will not neglect. We will write 1 in the denominator 0.50, and with multiplication sign we will write 2.50. Before 2 digit decimal is here, we can cancel this decimal. So left value is 250, ones are 250 upon 50. This 0 cancel by this, and 25 is divisible by 5 times. So in the statement form you will write in rupees 2.50 we can purchase 5 matchboxes. Okay. See here, the cost of a soap is rupees 8.75. The answer of third question. Now in the fourth question, Arun is having some money in this way. Rupees 5, then 2 coins of rupees 1 and 4 coins of half rupees. Okay. Now he has purchased a soap. Then left money we have to calculate how much money he is getting back. Okay. Now see here, given the cost of a soap is rupees 8.75. Total money that Arun is having. How much? Rupees 5 plus 2 coins of rupees 1 plus 4 coins of rupees half. That means multiplication we will do. So rupees 5 into 2 into 1. I forgot here to write 2 into 1, but you will write here. Okay, then only you will get idea. You will write here 1. Then in this way, in place of this half you will write here multiplication sign 1 plus 4 into half rupees. Half, that means 50 paisa. So 250 paisa will make 1 rupee. So 450 paisa will make 2 rupees. Or in simple language, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 is here, 2 is here. 5 is here. So total money Arun is having rupees 9. Now left money with Arun. 9 minus 8.75 because the price of a soap is 8.75. Here subtraction method you will show in the CW notebook also. Okay, so 9.00, 8.75. So here you can see borrow. So 1 rupees will make 100 paisa, 100 minus 75, 25, and here. So 0.25 rupees, that means 25 paisa. So in the statement form you will write Arun will get 25 paisa back. Okay. Now see in the fifth question, it's a given. Kannan is having rupees 60. Okay, and the price of, because her sister, his sister is giving him rupees 60 and tell 1.5 dozen banana you have to purchase. Okay, and if you are left money, if you are having, then you can purchase pen. So let us start. Given Kannan is having rupees 60, the cost price of one banana is equal to rupees 2.50, that means 2.5 rupees. Then the cost price of 18 bananas, 1.5 dozen bananas, that means in 1 dozen 12 bananas. So in 1.5 dozen 12 plus 6, 18 bananas. So the cost price of 18 bananas is equal to 2.50 into 18. I told you, you can neglect this one if it is in the denominator. Always we take this number in the numerator. Here whatever number is there we take in the denominator, but here is 1, so we can neglect. So when you will multiply this, 18 zeros are 0, 18 fives are 90, 90, 0 carry over 1, 18 twos are 36, 36 and 9, 45, before 2 digit decimal. So you will put decimal, but after decimal completely 20 you can cancel. So the cost of, here you will write, so the cost of 18 bananas is rupees 45. Now we will calculate left money with Kannan. So Kannan is having rupees 60 and out of rupees 60 he purchased, or she, whatever, because confusion is there, you can see in the textbook. So 45 rupees we will subtract. So here will be rupees 15. You can see subtraction. You will show in the notebook also subtraction. Now in the B, here statement form you will write. So left money with Kannan is rupees 15. Now B, solution of B I am giving you. The cost of one pen, here you can write the quantity 1. Numerical value also 1 you can write. So the cost of one pen is equal to rupees 6.50. So the cost of 2 pens is equal to 6.50 into 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 10 here 0, carry over 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 and 1 3, before 2 is decimal. Decimal when you will put after decimal, you can see here 20 you can cancel. So the cost of 2 pens is equal rupees 13 and Kannan is having rupees 15. Then left money again. Left money with Kannan, 15 minus 13, that means rupees 2. Sixth question is, can he buy 2 pens? Yes, he can buy 2 pens because the cost of 2 pens is rupees 13. So easily he can buy, and at the end Kannan is having only 2 rupees in his hand. Okay.